friends, welcome to IndianPicnic.xyz. This is your friend Pankuri. So today I'm going to tell you how to remove your hair with the use of a hair removal cream. So see, for some people it does not suit. They say it makes your skin little dark, but honestly I have tried it but I never had that issue. So for that, first of all, what you need to do is select a hair removal cream according to your skin type. So my skin type is normal, so I took this wheat one with normal skin. Okay, take a little bit of it and put it somewhere on your hand, little bit. Leave it on for a while, like 1 minute. If you feel itchy, scratchy, you feel like you're getting any rashes or anything, then do not use it. You need to figure it out if it's suiting your body or not. So, I personally am not feeling at all itchy, or I'm not getting any kind of rashes or anything. So this suits me. I can actually try it out. So once you're sure that you're not allergic to it, then you can try it out. So now what you have to do, select any part of your body. See, now I've got a little bit of hair on my legs, but I cannot get it waxed out because they're kind of small, but then they're visible. They won't come out of the waxing strips. So what I need to do is either use a hair removal cream or do the razor. So with razor you get hard hair on. I think this suits me better. So I'll tell you the process how to do it. First of all, you see how your hair growth is. See, mine is downwards. Some people have upward kind of growth. Some people have in circular motion. So for circular people I cannot say anything. But those who have like downward, I'll tell you for myself and for people who have upward kind of growth. If your hair growth is kind of going downward, so what you need to do is take the cream, spread it out with this in the same direction as your hair. Okay? So see. And spread it out in downward edge of this. Okay, so now as in the instruction it tells you have to leave it on for 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on over here for 3 minutes. If you have any queries, anything to ask, feel free to comment and I'm definitely going to get back to you. You yourself will figure out if it's the right time to actually remove the hair. So once you see your hair, they become really feeble, like they kind of look weak once you've put it on. So like once you're going to remove it, they're going to come out. I think mine are almost ready to come out. Okay, so now the most important part, because I have put the cream in the direction of the hair, like I've spread it out in a way that they cover the hair in the same direction. Like if my hair growth is downward, I'm not putting my cream upward. Okay, so now one thing you have to make sure, when it's the time to remove your hair, you have to do it in opposite direction. Like I've spread my cream in downward direction, so now while removing, I will remove it in upward direction. Just check it out. Okay, so see, this patch, it's gone, and that way all the hair, whatever was there, there's no tiny hair left on my skin over here on this patch. So at the end, I would just like to ask you people to comment whatever doubts you have. Let me know, and I'll see you with more videos later on, and I hope you people enjoyed this. So goodbye and keep subscribing. Bye.